Teach Me TV. Back again with another video. I want to show you how selling on Amazon can still be profitable for you. There are 4 keys to selling on this selling juggernaut. If a 12-year-old can make money using these keys, I know you can. So today, we will be showcasing how you can do the same. All it takes is a little effort and a thought-out plan. If you know you can do this, watch this video till the end. If you're ready, let's go. Here's what you need to know before you buy. We need to analyze 4 things to help us determine whether it will be an excellent product to purchase. First, we look at the demand, competition, product reviews, and profitability. Performing a product analysis before you list items to sell can help you avoid selling items in which there is lots of competition, low demand, and the wrong price. The first tip is sales rank. Determining the demand of a product. Knowing the product demand is important. This is a good indication that your item will sell quickly on Amazon. The higher the demand, the better. Sales rank is found by looking at an Amazon listings product details section. The second tip is category or brand restrictions. Some specific categories and brands are restricted, which Amazon won't allow you to sell. These restrictions can be lifted by going through an approval process. Some limits are more accessible than others to get approval, but in the beginning, you will want to steer clear of products that are restricted in any way. I have a guide of the restrictions you should watch out for. Click the link below for more information. The third tip is competition. When it comes to competition, the lower the better. One of the ways that competition is determined is a combination of the total number of sellers and the quality of those sellers. Here is a chart you need to look at. Competition doesn't have a cut and dry criteria to go by. This is because we must keep several variables in mind when analyzing our data. Once you go through this process, you will get a better understanding of this concept. The fourth tip is profitability. One of the most significant decisions you will make when buying a product is how much money we put in our pocket. This is known as net profit. As a general rule, if the cost of purchasing an item is at least 3 times lower than what it is currently selling for on Amazon, you should probably make a profit by selling it. I know you're wondering why. Well, 1/3 will be your purchasing cost, 1/3 goes to Amazon as fees, and 1/3 will be your profits. In other words, if it sells on Amazon for at least 3 times what you purchased it for, you should make money on it when it sells. Okay, the big question. What is a good net profit? Well, the best way to answer this is to ask yourself, am I okay with making $4 on this transaction? How about $2? How about $12? Some people prefer to find a lot of items that end up producing a smaller net profit. Others look for fewer items that provide a much larger profit margin. Next, determine whether you want to focus more on volume or profit per sale. These tips are crucial if you want to make passive income. Now, if you learned something today, I would love to hear from you. How you do that is by signing up to the Build Cash newsletter for more tips and tricks, or sending me an email. Hit the links below. Hit the link now. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, the notification bell as well to receive updates on when we drop another video. Thanks for watching. We will see you on the next one.